Hey guys, welcome to Blentora. Today, I create mechanical sprocket carrier shape topology.
First, add circle to 6 vertices.
Going to Edit mode, press W to select Subdivide.
Now adjust the number of cuts here.
Extrude this inwards, then use Loop Tool's circle to make it properly circular. Now scale it and adjust the size, then go into front view and move it up slightly. Now extrude it inwards, and then extrude it down. Now select this edge and extrude it out. Then go into front view and translate it down. Don't move it all the way down, keep it slightly above.
Next, select this edge loop and use Loop Tool Circle to make it circular. Now, extrude it down.
Here at the top, set the snapping type to vertex. Then snap it nicely so it lines up perfectly. Now extrude it out like this.
Next, over here on this part, add a cut. Now we'll extrude this part down and cut a hole in this area, so select the faces where it needs to be.
Then extrude it down on the Z-axis after that. Press S0 to flatten it, then move it down and snap it with this part so it aligns with the bottom part and stays perfectly straight.
Add 2 edge loop here.
Then, with the knife tool, make a cut from here like this. And then, again with the knife tool, add another cut over here.
First, select this vertex, then do cursor to selected to bring the 3D cursor here. Now add a cylinder.
Then go over here and change the pivot point to 3D cursor. Now, when we scale, it will scale from that point, and now we can scale and adjust the cylinder nicely so it fits the cut. Then separate the cylinder by selection to make it a separate object. After that, bring the cursor back to the world origin. Now select the cylinder, press Alt-E and choose Spin to duplicate copies all the way around here. Check the box Use Duplicate and adjust the number of copies. We need 6 copies. Now we'll cut this using a Boolean and we'll use the modifier. Use Boolean modifier. One by one. Marge here. Use Knife Tool to cuts here, select edges, and choose Loop Tool to space. Same thing here. Use Knife Tool to cuts here. Select middle point and tap Ctrl plus Shift plus B to adjust. Go to Loop Tool and choose Circle. Select face and delete. Going to Side View and extrude Z-axis. Next, select the top faces of this part, duplicate them, and move them down, snapping them to the bottom part. Select both of these edges and go over here and choose Bridge Edge Loops. Then select these edges and press F to fill. Selecting this edge, keep pressing F, filling the faces until you reach here. Then add a few loop cuts over here. Here, and on this part, add a few loop cuts here. Let's make this circular hole slightly smaller. Alright, now continue from here on your own. Just like we used the spin tool earlier, after that apply bevel, subdivision, and shade smooth. If you don't understand anything, leave a comment. Now you tell me,